Wait, so we don't get
You've seen this before.
Yeah.
You will leave your books to study tonight, but I believe Mr. G made a note
So guys, listen, I told you can have your science book out because, well, so who's played a game on Kahoot before?
Everyone.
So you know that the questions, there's 20 questions, and each of them you only have 20 seconds to do it. So I don't know if you're going to be able to find an answer in 20 seconds. So it might be better to just try it on without your books today. And then tomorrow it will be open book test. So if you can do it without your book now, then tomorrow I'm sure you can do it with your book. Okay. There's 20 questions. It does matter how fast you answer because we're going to you guys can kind of compare your scores at the end. The quicker you answer, the more points you get. Yes, question?
Can you give the game
A minute, please. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I want to do it.
I think you can see just fine. I think Will needs to get away from the distraction. You're going to see it on your screen.
I want to sit in the middle.
All right.
Then why do they have to sit up there?
Wait. 0, 0,
You don't need to laugh. You can stay where you're at. You can see just fine.
That's the pin right there. Okay.
I can't. Look at his face. Where's
So
my
there's
head?
what, 13 of us?
What is it? Dude, people just Kahooted. Look at just Kahooted. What should I do?
And make sure, yeah, your nickname, make sure your name is something I know who you are.
Actually, we go up and sit near Will now, since now he's put himself in your way. You choosing to defy what I just asked you to do is going to have a consequence that Mrs. Jakes will say later. But I need to talk to her about this first. You had no permission, I actually told you not to.
Who's Jennifer? Lindsay is her middle name.
As soon as you put that number in, Elijah, you have no need to see the board any longer. It'll be on your screen.
Why? I don't know what I just have to do.
Put the pin in, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 5.
8, 9.
Am I nickname?
Yeah, you have to have
It needs to be something that I can know who you are.
Nope, kick him out, Mr. G.
What's that?
I thought it was something.
If you guys don't finish it, sorry, you're going to have the same amount of time. You ready? Okay.
I should have done this too, Mr. G. I know the answer.
That's not what I was making it.
It's like Jeopardy.
You have to pick the answer on your screen.
I'm tired from the week.
Let's say
You're nice.
3302. That means only 8 of you answered, so
I
you
think
all.
those are 5s.
Yeah, those are 5.
Okay, so 1. Okay. Yes.
Can
Question.
you write the question?
Oh, okay. Yes. I was going to ask, but I
But
didn't
there's
want
12 of us.
I can't see.
to. So one person didn't answer, so make sure you guys.
Sit in a chair,
If
put it on
if
your
you
lap.
don't know, these are the colors here for the answers, and you have the colors on your screen. You have to pick the color that matches the answer. Okay. Okay?
Mr. G, there's only 12 of us, so
That means one person didn't answer. There's 13.
5 is 5 is 10.
That means one person did not answer. If you don't answer, then it doesn't.
Three people add
we need to go to the We're gonna get to the correct people said
Okay. Are we ready? Going on. I'll read the question.
Oh, wow.
There's only 2 of you got it right. Alright, it says, a period in which a great number of species is wiped out is called a asteroid, endangered species, minor extinction, or mass extinction.
Whoa!
I'm still looking at the questions. Yeah, quick, I got it right.
I got it correct.
9 5 and 5 is 5.
I'm in 11th place.
Everyone has points.
Is that better, Liam?
Huh?
Better?
Wow, I'm 8 points.
Alright, which of the following refers to any naturally preserved evidence of life? Mold, cast,
Trigger happy. Trigger happy. I'm so trigger happy.
Does anyone have a question about that one? Which of the following refers to any naturally preserved evidence of life?
I thought it was a bone.
Oh.
That would be, but not every fossil is a
What are
bone,
you
right?
first? Oh, I didn't understand it.
Okay. Alright, next one.
No, I'm in 6. I'm in 11. I'm in 6.
Okay, which part of an animal is most likely to be fossilized? Soft tissue, head, hard tissue, feet.
Dang it.
And now in 5th place.
You never learn.
So why is that? Why is hard tissue most likely to be fossilized? Liam?
Because it's not gonna be easily, like it can't be easily eroded,
Decomposed or decayed, right?
decomposed, yeah.
It does, but just at a much slower rate.
Slower rate, so.
Come on, you get it right.
Alright, next. Which layer in the image is most likely the youngest layer? Look at this picture.
I should be on the leaderboard. I better be on that leaderboard.
I'm always behind the highest.
Eli Slash better be on there.
Alright.
Connor's first.
This was the picture, right?
You look at the top
Which one's the
layer.
youngest? The youngest one is on the
went
top, right? Because everything new is going on top, so that must be the newest layer. 4. Yeah.
I didn't read the numbers. I thought
Oops.
the colors represented right now.
So that's why I put the picture. Mhm.
Because I thought, well,
Yeah,
Connor first.
I know that. Stinking.
Yeah,
Wait.
he is.
Okay, what idea does the process of continental drift suggest? The continents move slowly, the continents get smaller, continents bump into one another, or the continents float on water.
Couldn't see over the sand.
I'm a PhD.
My computer's talking to me. You're
Place.
fourth place.
Any questions?
Wait, can you show the leaderboard?
How do you know what place we're at?
Hang on, first let's talk about
Wait, how do we know what
the
place
answer
we're
in the question.
Someone
Someone who didn't get it right, if you have a question, ask.
No, I wasn't sure on that one.
Mhm. So a lot of you put,
The
sorry,
continent.
some of you got it wrong, but continents bump into, hey guys, do continents bump into one another?
No,
They can.
They can.
but they move really slow.
Okay, so continental drift means the continents, it just means moving. So they could bump into each other or they could move away from each other, okay? But they're always moving slowly, so that's why that's the answer,
That's a
because
matter of opinion. Because the way they move could be very fast to something.
I guess.
Okay, so what is the definition of bump? Bump. Right, do continents do that to each other? Do they bump? They slowly converge or diverge, right? And process of elimination, there's really only one that works there.
Continents don't
It's
get
probably where everything is.
Continents
But I
do
can
not.
see why you had
What do the continents float on?
On the plates.
It's on
They
the
are.
web for Windows.
Let's skip that.
It's the next layer down, guys. What's that layer?
Yeah.
Oh, Ashland's first.
Alright, next question. What are energy-rich resources that formed from the buried remains of once living organisms? Index fossils, solar energy, fossil fuels, fossil fats.
I'm class one.
I didn't move it all.
Hey, guys, listen up for a sec, please. Only pay attention to the screen. You don't need to.
No, but it says it right there.
Well, I'm looking here. Look at your own screen. Okay. All right. Questions? Fossil fuels. Any questions?
Nope.
Solar energy, is that something on the Earth?
No, it's from the sun.
From the sun, right? So this has to be something that we can find buried on the ground.
Just 21 points.
We have to time limit.
20 seconds, I think. Yep. All right. What is formed when sediment fills a mold and hardens? Shell, organism, cast, fossil.
Trigger happy.
You're happy. You.
I'm trigger happy.
I hope you all got it.
I'm still in
You guys spent a lot of time talking about that. You got that one yesterday.
Bradley's a bird.
All right.
I'm in 12.
So a lot of questions. All right. Which of the following could not be fossilized? Not. The key word. A mountain, a dinosaur bone.
I clicked on one.
Oh.
I clicked the right one.
Very careful that you're not letting your computer cover. Very sensitive.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I clicked the right one.
Cameron, give one already.
But I'm still behind Lindsay.
So it's asking which could not be fossilized. Hey, listen up. A footprint can't be fossilized?
can.
That kicks you off the
Hard.
wall.
A dinosaur bone can, a mosquito can.
Yeah, what was the example in our
Yeah.
in our science
I
book
like
about the
accidentally.
mosquito?
Amber, I know, I
Amber,
like
right?
it.
Amber can fossilize any
Mosquito. But then again, I'm like, oh wait, mountain might be actually the right one.
Wow, you.
If a stack of sediment layers is turned upside down, where should you find the oldest fossils? Think about it. Read it again.
Bro, that's easy.
I was looking for the answer.
What? Yay! The top layer. Just turn
Yes,
it
it's
down.
Yeah, so think,
This would be in the bottom, but
Yeah,
upside
I was
down.
behind you.
Bradley, I'm
Right.
coming for you.
Second place.
I'm coming
No.
for
it's a
you.
little
Lindsay.
tricky, right?
12 points.
I stole your place. I got it wrong, but I'm only 92 points behind.
12 points.
Ooh, Lindsay's
No,
Well.
Lindsay.
Points, Brad.
Alright. 11. Which fossil represents an ancient land environment? So look at the picture. Oh, sorry. Which of these represents an ancient land environment?
I got
Why
this
did
one.
I do that?
I know it's one.
I
I'm a pure genius.
What? Yeah. Sam!
What was the key word in that question? Land.
I clicked petroleum
That did
Where-
run.
Where do you find petroleum?
and water.
In water, underwater, right?
Alright,
Natural gas too.
I'm
right?
going to get behind you.
Alright, Mr.
Where-
Respecto, you're
Where
gonna
do
be
you
the.
find coal?
Like,
What kind of land? What kind of swamp?
or where it used to be.
Yeah. A fossil that is an impression left by a plant or animal is a footprint, cast, mold, pressure fossil.
I'm a secret classroom superpower.
Yeah, I can go on.
Yeah!
But I'm still
You're saying you're 9 points.
Why is it
Oh, like
not?
8.
Why is it
Cameron, I'm 82 points behind
No,
you.
I mean,
Hey guys, after, listen up, after the answers come up, can we talk about it? Raise your hand if you want to answer my questions, okay? Don't just talk to each other. Alright, why is it not a cast? Lindsay?
Because a cast is sediment that has gone into the mold and filled it and hardened.
Good, so if it asks what is, if sediment filled this answer, that would be a cast, right?
Like it was a few.
I'm gonna turn the audio off.
really?
Oh my god. I just changed to school. I know, but it's not even gonna work though.
Yeah, press R5.
It's like it says. No, it doesn't actually work.
Hey, I'm moving on faster now. If you're not paying attention to that, discovery of coal suggests which type of ancient environment?
Secret
Talk about it.
classrooms.
If you all are listening.
I didn't know that.
How?
Wait,
I
my
scored
mouse
more
went up when I
points
pressed
than
it.
I did.
I went like this,
No.
like this. Mr.
I
G,
didn't
I
mean
tapped on my trackpad and it clicked.
That's a clip too, if you tap it.
Wait, how
I
did exactly 962 points behind Cam.
Alright,
Oh, it's 84 to 900.
where would one find the largest reserves of petroleum? On an oil
Petroleum
tanker, under the United States, inside mountains, under the ocean.
I think.
You just talked about, hey, this is a good example. This is why we should listen when I'm talking after the questions. I just gave you this answer a couple questions ago.
And you gave us the last one.
And the last one too.
When I was going to
Don't play with the
I
computer.
tapped this, and that counted as.
You even try to know to cross it. First I would cross it.
Which of these fossils would be the best index fossil? A large fossil, a fossil that is found over a wide geographic area, a rare fossil, a fossil from an animal with no hard tissue.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, where is it? Nobody knows.
Crap, I got that wrong.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, where is it? Nobody knows.
I got that wrong.
I got it.
Oh my god, I got
Right.
it. I'm 19 points.
I don't even know like somebody
What is
genuinely
the
like
index
going
fossil
eeny, meeny,
guy?
miny, moe, where I think nobody knows.
So that
Well,
The fossil spread over, you know, why? It's a fossil itself that
so why do we call that an index fossil? What do we use it for? What's the difference between that and another fossil that's only found in one layer or one geographic area? What can scientists do with it?
they can see that this animal could have lived here and
Good, they can use it to compare other things that are found in layers between them.
Boss
Right?
of bosses. My score is boss of bosses.
Excellent.
nice to
Boss of bosses.
Which of the following can scientists learn from clam fossils?
Oh, I know this.
Temperatures of ancient landforms, shapes of continents.
Nobody, many moe, where nobody knows.
Take your
I
time.
have to have this one. Actually, I don't.
Ah, crap.
So why is that? How can scientists
Rebels
know
in fifth place now.
if scientists found a clamshell somewhere? How can they know about the ancient environment?
Do you know what they're eating?
Is it?
they would know
Cameron!
that it would be like the ocean.
I'm way behind you now.
Or like a lake.
I'm behind
It's
Jody
kind of
now.
like an index fossil in a way because it's
I'm 795 points behind Jody.
so if you find them
I'm in 13th place.
there's only like a certain kind of it and they're like spread out in different
Well, I
That's
don't
not the
know.
Guys,
I
Lindsay's
said
trying to
eeny,
give
meeny, miny, moe, where I go.
Lindsay's trying to give an explanation. Can you please be kind and listen?
Alright.
so like if there was one in Africa and South America you know they would be like congealing at some point.
Oh, okay. Yeah. that's good.
Probably.
Mhm. So for this one, it's telling you to think if there's a clam fossil, then there must have been ocean or sea environment there at one point, right?
Like they eat them. Yeah.
Delays? It says my network is slow.
What did the shapes of modern and fossilized shark teeth suggest about sharks? This is when I investigated
Ancient sharks. Wait, no! I know it was! I noticed it after I noticed it after
What did we find when we
No.
compared the two kinds of shark teeth? Cam, you remember?
What?
When we compared the ancient and the modern shark tooth in the investigated, what did we
Well,
conclude?
there's not as much sharp kind of.
Well, what
So,
if
like the
five
black
were-
and the other one, like the black molded.
So the color was only because one was a fossil
I
and one
failed.
was real.
I just failed.
But did they look
Stay on.
much different in shape and size and? No, so what can that tell you? What did we say? What does that tell us about sharks long ago and sharks now?
Sharks like they like probably maybe like their exchange too, so they like move and spread their growth is like
Yeah.
I can't hear what they're saying. If possible, on this one,
So
we get
it's not asking about where they are, it's asking about what they look like and how they are. So have they changed much?
Why is it
No,
talking
because
to
if their
me?
teeth haven't changed much, then the rest of them probably did need it. Okay? Alright.
Yay!
Which of the following suggests humans contributed to the extinction of woolly mammoths? Think about it. This is
Wait, I'm gonna wait till the last second.
Dude, I don't even think that it's correct.
Oh my god, I just randomly guessed something. I just randomly guessed it.
Listen up, a few of you put the fossils of arrowheads. Does that tell us about something that humans did to woolly mammoths?
No, this was easy because I did the AC.
No, it just says that they made arrowheads. It
I
doesn't
already
necessarily
beat
tell
him.
us what they did with them.
Right.
So this one says they found them in woolly mammoths. That means they used them to hunt the woolly mammoths. Yeah. Fossils may be preserved by all of the following except which?
This is too easy.
No, wait.
I'm sure someone will get it.
No, 3,200.
Glaciers. Why did someone do glaciers? You have a question about that? No? No one wants to?
I think Mr. G, just from years of experience, it was the first thing they saw, and they thought, oh,
We
too
didn't talk
cold.
about that,
We
or?
didn't, yeah, or, you know, they didn't really look at all the other options, because if you got to computers, that would have been a dead giveaway, right?
That doesn't necessarily mean a glacier can always preserve a fossil, because if the glacier moves to a warm climate, then it would melt and then it wouldn't be preserving it. But the question says may, right? It can preserve. Computers, remember, a fossil has to be naturally preserved. Is a computer naturally, is a computer part of nature? No. So it has to be computed. Alright, and the last one, hardest one, guys.
Wait. Hold on. Wait.
Liam,
I'm
turn
ready
it
to
on.
get
Go
The grade will be, and you will feel. Oh, this
Why am I okay? I'm happy.
Fifth place.
What the heck?
Come on, this is an easy 1,000 points. Alright, let's see.
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking like maybe top
Yeah,
five or something. give them extra points. Lindsay, Sarah, Connor, Sam,
Yeah, I
you
just
guys
made
can
for
have
this
extra
one and
points, alright?
Because I keep out and then
Alright, close your computers. Put it away if you have time. You can do another one.
No, we didn't. I refreshed.
Computers away, guys. It's already lunch.
No! Why would I hire